Have you ever tried to describe your car in English and suddenly you only know one word? Car? Red car, big car, nice car, and that's it? Don't worry, today we're going to fix that.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Thank you. And today's topic is super useful and super fun. How to describe a car in English.
Yes, maybe you want to buy a car. Maybe you want to sell a car. Maybe you just want to talk about your dream car.
Or maybe your friend says, "What kind of car do you have?" and you freeze.
Not anymore. By the end of this episode, you will know simple, clear, natural English to describe any car. You will sound confident. You will sound smooth.
And we will make it very easy, like baby easy, step by step.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's start.
Okay, first question for you. What is a car?
Easy. A car is a vehicle. It has 4 wheels. It takes people from one place to another.
Good. Vehicle means something you use for transportation, but don't worry, you can just say car.
Now let's learn the most basic words to describe a car.
Number 1, size.
Cars can be small, medium-sized, or large.
Repeat after me. Small car,
Medium-sized car.
large car.
Very good. If the car is very small, you can say compact car.
Compact means small but practical.
If the car is big and strong, you can say SUV.
SUV is a big car, good for families, good for travel.
Try saying this sentence. I drive a small car.
Say it out loud. Yes, you.
Now say, my father drives a large SUV.
Perfect. See, you are already describing a car.
Now let's talk about color. Very easy, but very important.
Because when people think about a car, they often think about color first.
Common car colors, black, white, silver, blue, red, gray.
Repeat, black car,
White car,
red car.
silver car.
Now let's make a full sentence.
I have a black car.
She drives a white car.
We bought a blue car.
Good. Now let's add feeling.
Instead of just red car, you can say bright red car
Bright means strong and clear color.
or dark blue car.
Or shiny black car.
Ooh, shiny. That sounds cool.
Try this sentence. He has a shiny black car.
Again, slowly.
He has a shiny black car.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about age. Is the car new or old?
You can say new car.
Or brand new car?
Brand new means very, very new.
If the car is not new, you can say used car.
Used means someone had it before.
You can also say second-hand car.
Now, condition. Is the car in good condition or bad condition?
Good condition means it works well.
Bad condition means there are problems.
You can say, my car is old, but it's in good condition.
That's a very natural sentence. Say it.
My car is old, but it's in good condition.
Great job.
If the car has many problems, you can say it needs repair.
Or it has engine problems.
Engine is the heart of the car.
Yes, without the engine, no vroom vroom.
Exactly.
Wait, quick question.
Most learners make this mistake. Do you?
They say, my car is very delicious.
Oh no, delicious is for food.
Not for cars.
Instead of delicious, you can say beautiful
Or cool.
or amazing.
So stay with us because we're about to learn how to make your car description sound natural and impressive.
Now let's talk about style. How does the car look?
You can say modern
Modern means new style.
or classic.
Classic means old style but beautiful.
You can say sporty
Sporty means it looks fast and exciting.
or luxury.
Luxury means expensive and comfortable.
Repeat, modern car,
Classic car.
sporty car.
Luxury car.
Now, full sentence. She drives a modern silver car.
He owns a classic black car.
They bought a sporty red car.
You see, we are building bigger sentences now.
Now let's talk about how the car drives.
Is it fast?
slow,
Powerful?
comfortable,
You can say, my car is very fast.
or it's slow but reliable.
Reliable means you can trust it.
Very useful word. Repeat, reliable.
Reliable.
Good.
You can also say it saves fuel.
That means it does not use too much gas.
Gas or petrol, both are okay.
My car saves fuel. It's very economical.
Economical means not expensive to use.
Try saying, it's small but very reliable.
Perfect.
Okay, now mini role play time.
Imagine I am your friend.
And I ask, what kind of car do you have?
You answer. Say it out loud.
Maybe you say, I have a small white car.
Or, I drive a used blue car.
Or I have a modern black SUV.
Good. Now let's make it longer.
I have a small white car. It's very reliable and saves fuel.
Yes, that sounds natural.
Your turn. Add 2 details, size and color. Then add condition or performance.
Speak now, don't be shy.
Amazing. You are practicing real English.
Now let's talk about your dream car.
This is fun. You can say, my dream car is,
My dream car is a sporty red car.
or my dream car is a luxury black SUV.
Add feeling. I love its design.
It looks powerful.
It's very comfortable.
Now say your dream sentence. My dream car is...
Go, say it. I hope one day you get it.
Stay with us until the end because we have a bonus tip that will make your English sound even more natural.
Here is the bonus tip.
Use with to add extra information.
Example, I have a black car with leather seats.
I drive a small car with a sunroof.
Sunroof is the window on the roof.
He bought a new car with automatic transmission.
Automatic means the car changes gears by itself.
Using with makes your sentence richer and more detailed.
Try, I drive a blue car with a big screen.
Perfect. Okay, let's review.
Number 1, size, small, medium, large.
Number 2, color, black, white, red, blue, silver.
Number 3, age and condition, new, used, old, good condition.
Number 4, style, modern, classic, sporty, luxury.
Number 5, performance, fast, reliable, economical.
And bonus, use with for extra details.
Say this final sentence with us.
I drive a small silver car. It's reliable and saves fuel.
Amazing.
See? Describing a car in English is not scary.
You just need simple words, step by step.
Practice every day.
Talk about your car. Talk about your friend's car.
Or talk about your dream car.
Tell us in the comments, what kind of car do you have?
Or what is your dream car?
We love reading your answers.
And next time,
We will show you how to describe your house in English.
so you can speak about your life with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing
Keep smiling.
and keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next lesson.